Come with me to cook Australian Wagyu steak. Starting off with the pan, I want to heat it to a smoking point. I'm going to salt them after, so I'm just going to chuck on one, because they have enough fat content in it. I'm going to put it straight on there, no butter, no nothing. Just let it smoke. I'm going to go ahead and quickly check it. It has formed a crust. I will be flipping this. It's been about a minute. I'm going to go 1 minute on each side. Going to go ahead and see how that is doing. That is looking so good. And so I'm going to do about 1 minute. I feel like this is good enough. I'm going to go ahead and get it out. Transfer it over to a clean plate and let it rest. I'm going to just wipe this out. Starting off with a clean, dry steak. I'm going to go ahead and slap that in.